Hey everyone, how are you? If you want to buy latest and the best gadget of this year, then you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the greatest gadget of this year. Today we are here with an interesting video. Now I will make video on rugged smartphone of 2023. If you like the product and want to buy the products, you need to go through the link which is in the description box. Product name: Hotwav W10 rugged smartphone. The Hotwav W10 rugged smartphone is a durable and feature-packed mobile device designed to withstand harsh conditions while offering a powerful performance. One of its standout features is its impressive 15,000 mAh ultra-large battery, ensuring extended usage without the need for frequent recharging. This rugged smartphone runs on the Android 12 operating system, providing access to the latest software features and security updates. Powered by the MTK6761 chipset, the Hotwav W10 offers a responsive and smooth user experience. Its 6.53-inch screen provides ample display real estate for a comfortable viewing experience, making it suitable for various tasks, including browsing, multimedia consumption, and more. With 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage, the Hotwav W10 offers decent multitasking, allowing users to capture quality photos and videos. What sets the Hotwav W10 apart is its rugged design. Built to withstand tough environments, it's designed to be water-resistant, dust-proof, and shockproof, making it ideal for outdoor activities, construction sites, or any situation where durability is paramount. In summary, the Hotwav W10 rugged smartphone is a versatile device that combines a powerful battery, the latest Android OS, a capable processor, and rugged build quality. This makes it an attractive choice for individuals who need a smartphone that can handle. Product name: Hotwav rugged smartphone. The Hotwav rugged smartphone is a formidable Android device designed to cater to users who require a robust and durable mobile solution. This smartphone comes in a global version, offering international compatibility, and boasts an array of impressive features to cater to various needs and preferences. One of the standout features of this smartphone is its rugged build, making it well-suited for outdoor enthusiasts, adventurers, and individuals working in demanding environments. Its rugged design ensures resistance to water, dust, and shock, providing a level of durability that regular smartphones can't match. This makes it ideal for those who need a reliable device in harsh conditions. In terms of hardware, the Hotwav rugged smartphone comes with an expansive 6.6-inch FHD plus 2K display, ensuring sharp and vibrant visuals for media consumption and daily use. The device is powered by a powerful configuration GB of RAM and a massive 256 GB of internal storage. This combination ensures smooth multitasking and ample space for storing apps, files, and media. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the smartphone's 64MP Cyber 13 Pro camera, which offers the capability to capture high-quality photos and videos. This camera system is versatile and can cater to a wide range of photography needs. Another highlight is the impressive 10,800 mAh battery, which promises long-lasting battery life. With such a large battery capacity, users can expect extended usage without the need for frequent recharging, making it an excellent choice for those who are often on the go or far from power sources. Additionally, the smartphone features a built-in 150 flashlight, which can be a valuable tool in various situations. Product name: Hotwav rugged large battery smartphone. The Hotwav rugged large battery smartphone is a robust and feature-rich Android mobile phone designed to meet the demands of users who require durability, extended battery life, and reliable performance. This smartphone boasts several noteworthy features, making it a suitable choice for those seeking a dependable device for both work and leisure. Rugged durability: the Hotwav rugged large battery smartphone is built to withstand harsh conditions, making it an ideal choice for outdoor enthusiasts, travelers, and individuals in demanding work environments. With an IP68 and IP69K rating, it is resistant to dust, water, and even high-pressure water jets. This ruggedness ensures that the device remains functional in adverse weather conditions and challenging environments. Large battery: one of the standout features of this smartphone is its large battery capacity, which ensures extend instantly on the move or in situations where charging options may be limited. Android 12. The HotWav rugged large battery smartphone runs on the Android 12 operating system, offering users access to the latest features, security updates, and a user-friendly interface. This ensures a smooth and up-to-date user experience with support for a wide range of apps and services. Camera capabilities. Equipped with a 13-megapixel camera, this smartphone allows users to capture high-quality photos and videos, making it suitable for documenting outdoor adventures, work-related tasks, or everyday moments. The camera's capabilities enable users to create memorable visuals even in challenging environments. Large HD Plus display. The smartphone features a 6.53-inch HD Plus display that provides a vibrant and immersive viewing experience. Whether you're browsing the web, watching videos, or working on documents, the internal storage. The HotWav rugged large battery smartphone offers a decent balance between performance and storage capacity. Users can run multiple apps smoothly and store their files, photos, and apps. Product name HotWav W10 Pro and W10 rugged phones. The HotWav W10 Pro and W10 rugged phones are robust and feature-rich mobile devices designed to withstand challenging environments, while providing users with a reliable and powerful smartphone experience. These phones are built with a focus on durability, performance, and advanced specifications, making them suitable for various outdoor activities and demanding work conditions. Rugged design. One of the standout features of HotWav W10 Pro and W10 rugged phones is their ruggedized design, which meets the IP68 waterproof and dustproof standards. This means they can be submerged in water for a certain period and are resilient against dust, making them ideal for use in rugged outdoor settings or industrial environments. Their sturdy construction also helps protect them from accidental drops and impacts. Performance. These phones are of internal storage. Users can expect seamless multitasking and ample space for apps, media, and files. The inclusion of Android 12 ensures a modern and user-friendly interface with access to the latest software features and security updates. Display. The HotWav W10 Pro and W10 rugged phones feature a large 6.53-inch display, offering a spacious canvas for browsing, gaming, and multimedia consumption. The screen is designed to provide clear and vibrant visuals, enhancing the overall user experience. Camera. The phones are equipped with a 20MP rear camera, allowing users to capture high-quality photos and videos even in challenging lighting conditions. This camera setup ensures that users can document their adventures or work-related tasks effectively. Battery life. A notable feature of these phones is their massive 15,000 mAh battery, which offers exceptional battery life. This substantial capacity for outdoor use. Product name HotWav Cyber 9 Pro. The HotWav Cyber 9 Pro is a rugged smartphone designed to withstand tough environments and provide reliable performance. This device is equipped with a Helio P60 octa-core processor, which offers a balance between power efficiency and performance. Its 6.3-inch HD display ensures clear visuals, while the device boasts an impressive 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, providing ample space for apps, photos, and files. One of the standout features of the HotWav Cyber 9 Pro is its ruggedness. It is built to endure harsh conditions, making it suitable for outdoor adventures, industrial use, and other demanding scenarios. The device's durability is complemented by a robust 7,500 mAh battery, which offers extended usage without the need for frequent recharging. The 48MP rear camera on the HotWav Cyber and secure mobile payment options. With NFC near-field communication capabilities, the device can easily connect to other NFC-enabled devices and accessories, enhancing its versatility and functionality. Whether you need a rugged phone for work or outdoor activities, the HotWav Cyber.
Thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.